Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new review video. I'm gonna do review on the new Nabla cosmetic products. So I just have like 4 things to try on, and this is my first time that I'm actually trying Nabla cosmetics. Yeah, I just have an eyeshadow palette, a bronzer, highlighter, and just a lipstick because I didn't want to actually purchase a lot of things from the brand because I need to try and test how the formula is, and obviously if I like it then I can go for more things, but I just didn't want to invest in like a lot of things at once. I mean, the price point is a bit higher. I just got these 4 things, and I got these from Beauty Bay because I'm not sure whether the Nabla cosmetic website they deliver here or not. I didn't even actually check. I got it from Beauty Bay because I mean that gets much more easier, and sometimes there are like discounts also on Beauty Bay, so obviously you can get it for a cheaper price. But today I just have 4 things, so we'll try out that and I'll give you my swatches and I'll try it on, give you a quick tutorial and then my final thoughts. Yeah, so today is all about Nabla cosmetics, so let's get into the video. So if you are new here to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. And yeah, without wasting time, let's begin, because I mean I do get like comments on my review videos that it is too long, so I'm just gonna try to make it short, but it is not going to get, I mean like for 10 minutes. That is not possible at all. So I won't even try, because I mean when you sit to make like videos, you really don't know how much time you are actually taking to do eyeshadow tutorial or whatever, so I really can't say about that. But anyways, I really don't want to get into all these stupid things. So firstly, I have this eyeshadow palette, the Nabla Cosmetics Secret palette. So this is the sleeve, and from inside it looks like this. It is really pretty beautiful, and so you get a nice big mirror. You get like 15 eyeshadows. There is a lot of shimmers, metallics, duochromes, as well as matte shades, and I really like the color story of this, so I thought I'll pick this up because I mean there were palettes which had like 6 eyeshadows, and I mean they were expensive for just 6 eyeshadows, so I thought I'll try this one because I mean this has a lot of shades. I got it from Beauty Bay, so I'm gonna tell you in pounds. So this is for 36 pounds. So you have like the super matte, fluid, metal, crystal, and satin. 2 brand new textures are present for the first time. Diamond specifically created for intensified duochrome, crystalline finishes, and velvet, whose formulation is able to give extreme depth to dark and intense shades. I mean that was all actually for the eyeshadow. Then I actually have the lipstick, which is, I'll first tell you everything about all the things and then we'll do a quick tutorial. Then I have this Nabla Cosmetics Cult Matte Soft Touch lipstick. I think they have like a few shades, but they are I think mostly nude shades or brownie tone shades. So this is the packaging, and I think this is for £12.50. I think on their website they are available in like 13 shades. Beauty Bay, they are only available in like 6 shades. So I got the shade Chloe, which is a very beautiful nudie brown color, and the texture looks very similar, and the color also looks very similar to the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte lipsticks. So these are the Soft Touch new lightweight matte lipstick with a soft focus finish, a pure innovation. It has a buildable coverage and gives the lips a smooth and plump effect in a subtle and sophisticated way that you will never forget, that you will forget what you're wearing. So it's cruelty free and suitable for vegetarians. Combination of lightweight oils and micronized powders give lips a perfect blurring effect. The anatomic shape of the tip mimics the natural contour of the lips for an effortless application. So we actually have the lipstick, so I'm just going to quickly first swatch the lipstick. So this is how the packaging is, and you can see it is so similar to the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte lipsticks, and I think even the shape is very similar, but just that I think this has curve and the Huda Beauty one doesn't have curve. And the color is really beautiful, so I actually got this shade. I mean, on my hands it is taking a bit effort because it is like curvy. So on the lips it is gonna, I mean, sit well, and it's gonna look really pretty. I mean, the color is really nice. It is a matte finish, but it doesn't, I mean, it's very, very comfortable on my hands as well, and the color is actually really pretty. So we actually have that for the lipstick. Then going on to the skin bronzing as well as the skin glazing. So I got the shade Umbra in the skin bronzing. So we actually have this packaging. I really love the packaging of both the skin glazing and the skin bronzing. They are actually really pretty, and the price point is also the same for both the highlighters and the bronzers, because I mean the size is the same, only that it's like a bronzer and a highlighter. So I got the shade Umbra. So this is the lightest shade, and they have like 4 shades in this, and I got the lightest one, but the color looks actually really, really nice. So the skin bronzing is for 20 pounds, and they are available in 4 shades. It will give you a radiant and bronzed look, wet and dry formula with buildable coverage, suitable for all skin types, patent technology with advanced smoothing polymers for a refined skin, vegan and cruelty free. So we actually have that for a bronzer. And then for the skin glazing, so I mean the plastic case is different. This has more of a pinky tone, and this has like brownie tone. So we actually have the skin glazing, and I got the shade Amnesia. I mean, I was looking for this shade from a very long time, but I mean, I think it is the best seller. That is why it wasn't in stock a lot of times. So I got this shade, and it is a beautiful golden champagne shade, and they have like around 7 or 8 shades. So this is how it looks. This is also for 20 pounds, and they are available in, I think, 8 shades. It has dazzling pearls that redefine the concept of light. Skin glazing luminous powders have 0 thickness and light up your skin with a mirrored effect and unexpected brilliance. And adherent, absolutely imperceptible formula with a sublime finish that shines inside a precious and thin packaging like colorless glass, like colored glass. Wearing skin glazing, sun reflects will envy your light. I mean, the explanation is actually too much. So these are the 4 things that we have, and I'm really sorry, but it's very dark outside. I don't know, I think the weather is kind of changing here in Dubai, so I mean, it's too dark outside, so I'm really sorry about that. This already took me like 15 minutes. So anyways, now let's get into all the tutorials, and I'll give you all the swatches of the eyeshadow palette as well, because obviously we need that. So firstly, I'm gonna swatch the bronzer. I mean, it looks really pretty. I mean, I really don't want to spoil the design on that, but I mean, this is the swatch. I mean, it is a really nice bronzer color for my skin tone, and it looks really smooth, and I think it has like, I mean, it has a little bit of sheen in it. Then the highlighter is, I mean, it is beautiful. I mean, that's really, really beautiful. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Now quickly off camera I'll do all the swatches, and then I'll show it to you because it will take like a lot of time. So I'll quickly just swatch it and I'll be back. So guys, these are the swatches. I mean, the swatches are really nice. I think this shade and this shade, these are, I think, the diamond powders. I think they are like the eyeshadow toppers, but they call it like the diamond powders. This is a really pretty color. In pan it looks red, but on screen it actually looks pink. I mean, this shade is really pretty. I mean, the swatches are really nice. So anyways guys, now let's get into the tutorial. So guys, I finished the tutorial. I did the rest of my face. Now going on to bronzer. So we'll be trying out the bronzer, and I mean it's a really nice color. So I mean I really don't like, I mean I have to actually, I think it might be a bit too light for me. No, actually it's pretty good because I don't love the bronzers that are too warm. I mean, can you look at the eyeshadow? It is so pretty. I mean, it's actually not shimmery, it is proper. I mean, it is not even the flat matte. It has a little bit of sheen, but you can't really see it, but it is a really nice finish. So we actually have that for the bronzer. It's a really nice, good bronzer. There is nothing bad about it. Now let's try the highlighter. First I think I will try it like that. I mean like dry, then maybe we'll try it like I'll apply my setting spray and then we'll apply it. I mean the color is so pretty. I hope it's not too light for me. That is really beautiful. I mean there were two colors. I was really confused. I think that the other one was ozone, not ozone but something similar to that name, but I mean I think that was too light, so I was really confused. They had written for this that it's like a golden champagne color, so I got this one. I mean it is so pretty. I think I'll just set my face real quickly. That's actually all. I mean that day I had a disaster. I mean my hair got stuck in between the blades of the fan. I think I'll just add a little bit because why not? I mean it's actually really pretty. Now we'll try the lipstick. I think I'll just line my lips quickly with my LA Girl lip liner, and please don't mind if I look here because my screen and my mirror is here. I can't really keep it in front of the camera. Now going on to the lipstick. Now the lipstick color is really pretty. Wow. I mean this is really comfortable and it really hugs your lips really well. I really wanted to try out the lip glosses, but they were like out of stock when I ordered it, so I just couldn't try. I mean it's really beautiful, really comfortable, but I need actually a lip gloss because I really love a good nice glossy lips. That is all for lipstick. It's really comfortable. Now I'll quickly just set my hair really quick and I'll be back, and then I'll give you my final thoughts about everything. So I'll just be back. Actually had curled my hair, but I just wanted to set it quickly. So now going on to the eyeshadow palette. Now the eyeshadow palette is actually really pretty. As you saw in the tutorial, I had used the shade Play Hard on my lids. I mean it is a beautiful duochrome shades, and I just used a couple of matte shades and this shimmer shade as well, just to blend in the matte and the shimmer shade, and it's actually really pretty. Obviously I have to try the other shades as well. Other tutorials will be up on my Instagram, and maybe even one more tutorial will be up on my YouTube later on. But I mean it's a beautiful palette, and the matte shades are really nice. They are soft, they blend easily. I mean I didn't have even a little bit of problem. I didn't have even fallouts, so I mean that's really good. The shade Contigo, it's actually really pretty. Even if you use it on its own, just that color on your lids, it is actually really pretty. But I mean this shade is really beautiful. So I mean in total the palette is really nice. Obviously there are other palettes. I wanted to try other palettes as well. There is one specific one which I have my eye on. I would really wanted to try that, but I mean this palette is really pretty. Maybe for next tutorial I'll use a bunch of other shades, but I mean I wanted something which would go with my top. So I mean, I really love this palette. So I mean, it's really nice, good palette, really good. Now going with the bronzer is really pretty. I think I would prefer the next darker shade than this also, but I think if this is also really nice. I mean, it's not extremely pigmented, you have to build it up a couple of times, and it is not like complete matte bronzer. It has a bit of sheen to it, and it looks really beautiful on your skin. The formula is really nice, and it is not very expensive also, so it's really nice. They have like 4 shades, so that's amazing. So I think if you find like a color for your skin tone, I mean, it's a really good bronzer. And the skin glazing also is really pretty. I am glad that I got this shade because I mean, it is not giving me a gray cast, so that's good. And this color is really pretty. So if you are someone who is similar to my skin tone and a little bit more deeper than me, I mean, this shade would actually look really good. Don't go lighter than this, because I mean, then it might give you a gray cast. But I mean, they have like 8 or 7 shades, so I mean, you can find obviously a good shade for you. And these are also like for the same price point, so these both are for the same price point, and the packaging is also really pretty. So these two are also amazing. The lipstick is also amazing. I mean, this entire review is a good review. I mean, there is nothing bad, so I'm not just gonna say something negative. And the lipstick is also really nice. I wanted to try out the lip glosses, but they were out of stock, so I couldn't. And they have like a bunch of other variety of lipsticks. They have like liquid lipstick, the bullet lipsticks. I think also they have like 2 or 3 types. I mean, these are really comfortable. They are matte, but they are creamy. I really can't explain, but the formula is very similar to the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte lipsticks. It also looks very similar, and this shade is actually really pretty beautiful shade, so that's also really nice. So yeah guys, that was all for today's review. If you have tried Nabla Cosmetics, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have tried something which is really good, do let me know in the comments below, so even I can check it out and try it. So yeah guys, this was all for today's video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.